Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Volvo XC60. First, make sure your key fob is within effective range of your car, typically up to 50 feet. It's also crucial that all doors, the tailgate and the hood are completely closed and latched. This ensures the safety system allows the remote start function to activate properly, preparing your vehicle for a comfortable drive. Now, let's locate the remote start button on your Volvo key fob. Look for a circular arrow icon, often found on the side or back of the fob. This distinct button is your gateway to remotely starting your XC60. Familiarizing yourself with its position will make the process quick and effortless whenever you need to warm up or cool down your car. To activate the remote start, press the circular arrow button on your key fob twice in rapid succession. On the second press, hold the button down for approximately 2 seconds. You'll notice the car's exterior lights flash, indicating that the remote start command has been received and the engine is beginning to start. This visual confirmation is very helpful. Once started, your Volvo XC60 engine will run for up to 15 minutes. If you need more time, simply repeat the remote start sequence to extend the run time. When you're ready to drive, unlock the doors using your key fob and enter the vehicle. The engine will remain running, allowing for a seamless transition to your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.